I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving account ownership, so open Gmail or Settings and select the account you need. Make sure your phone is unlocked and online. Google uses that link to verify. Once done, tap Forgot Password or Account Recovery and follow prompts. Google will ask for the last password you remember, a recovery email, or a verification code sent to your phone. This first step establishes identity and triggers secure verification methods. Next, you complete verification by responding to Google's authentication challenges. If you remember a recent password, enter it. If not, choose alternative verification to get a code by SMS or to your recovery email. Make sure to check notifications for a Google prompt on trusted devices. If you have two-factor backup codes or an Authenticator app, use them now. These steps confirm control of linked recovery methods and let you move to reset the password securely. Finally, choose a new, unique password and type it slowly to avoid typos. Make sure you update the password in your phone's password manager and any synced devices. Once set, sign back into Gmail and review security settings, recovery options, and recent activity. If Google's recovery keeps failing, give it time and retry from a familiar Wi-Fi or a previously used device. Sometimes waiting 24 to 48 hours and using a trusted device resolves verification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.